In this video, you will learn how to form sentences and questions using must and must not. This video is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, must and must not are used to emphasize an opinion, to give a recommendation, to make an assumption, and to reach a logical conclusion. Let us look at how to emphasize an opinion in a positive sentence. Begin the sentence with I must say or I must admit, followed by your opinion. For example, I must say this cake is delicious. Or I must admit that was an amazing movie. To give a recommendation using must, begin with the pronoun or noun. Add must in the verb. Add extra information after the verb. For example, we must visit the Gateway of India. Or, you must read these books. To form a negative sentence, use must not in place of must. Follow the same word order. For example, we must not visit the Gateway of India late at night. Or, you must not read these books. To form a question, begin with must. Add the noun or pronoun, end the verb. Add extra information after the verb and end it with a question mark. For example, must you visit the Gateway of India? Or, must you read that book? To reply to questions beginning with must, use yes I must to give a positive reply and no I must not to give a negative reply. Now you know how to form sentences and questions using must.